Chat here. Welcome to another Ali Chat Productions. I'm your host, Ali Chat herself. Today we're going to be talking more about trains. Sorry guys, not so much about the nachos. Well, no nachos this time. So, without further ado, don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like and leave a comment. I love your feedback, guys. Also, if you want to catch more of me, don't forget, Back on Track. We're back on track Saturdays from 10 a.m. Eastern. Don't forget your re-railer. Don't forget your merchandise as well. And also, trackside beans. Trackside beans during the week. So, if you want more of that content, jump on the Back on Track channel and follow us there. And again, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. So, without further ado, some trains, and of course, a new toy that I received on Friday. Exciting stuff, and we'll get on with the show. So, how was that, people? I hope you enjoyed that little snippet from my meeting on Friday at the Model Railway Club here in Western Australia. Don't forget to support my channel, like, subscribe, etc. and so on. So, without further ado, back to you, Shannon. I drove past this sign before and something about it got me. Dead slow. And a reminder, if you didn't see the big 10, there's a little 10 underneath it as well.